And welcome back to another trade recap. As you guys can see by my screen, today is a break-even type of day for us. A break-even trade. Everything that we did in this trade worked perfectly to the point. Everything that I wanted to see. We were just 7 points away from full TP. Just stinks. We were so close. And, market ended up just reversing all the way through. That's why you want to move your stops to break even. That way, whenever you do get out, you don't lose nothing. I didn't want to end this day off, taking a loss. So for that reason, let's get into this trade recap. Let you know everything that I saw whenever we first hopped on the market. And this is what it looked like at 9:30. Okay. Mind you, previous day highs were right here, had marked out. Previous day low, we're down here. Still, we're just, still recovering from the news that came out on Tuesday Tuesday about the ceasefire and stuff, right? So market is obviously going to react to market's going to react to that, right? At open, you guys can quickly see we took out London highs, we took out Asia highs. Asia lows is already gone. There's only one clear target left for us to take out, and that is London lows. So even though, I wanted us to, make our way towards this high because we were so close to it, I wanted to see what we would do going into this session. And, we had entries to the upside. We had this 5-minute right up here. We also had a 5-minute up here. I don't think I had this 5-minute marked out, though. I think I had a 15-minute somewhere up here. Yeah, I had this 15-minute marked out as well. And I was just basically trying to see what the price wants to do. And then we started marking out gaps to the downside. We had this 5-minute down here. And we also had another 5-minute down here. And now, once, price starts doing its thing, I'm just looking for confirmations and seeing what entries we can get. And as market opened, all right, we had to slow down. Wow, that was really quickly. As market opened, we tapped into this 5-minute gap and quickly rejected. I wanted us to, break past this 1-minute gap, which we tapped into it once and we ended up breaking below it. My entry was not off of this gap. It should have been. If it was, we would have been good. Usually I do take the confirmation off the first gap, but my entry would have been off the second gap. But the reason why we didn't take it, we dumped about 26 points and we never really closed above. We never really had the retest that we wanted to see. And market has just been wonky. The one reason why market's moving like this was because at the time ES still had Asia highs left to take out. So I was kind of glad I never got in around this entry because we were still not fully sure of what we wanted to do in terms of price. I wanted us to, have an entry around here. If I had took shorts from this gap right up here, we would have gotten stopped. So kind of glad that we didn't. And then I started marking out more gaps for confirmation. Broke below that one. You can get rid of all of these other ones right here. And I'm still just waiting for us to tap into this 5-minute gap and for us to take an entry off of it, because you can see that last time price came down to it, instant buyers stepped in. So now I'm just looking for a 1-minute closure below the 50% mark, a retest, and continuation towards the downside, right? We saw a lot of wicks. We were around this area for a very long time, and this was actually our entry right up here. As soon as we closed below, I set my entry for shorts. If you go on the 5-minute, my stops were at the top of this candle right here with no wick, by the way. And we were targeting London lows because it was 65 points as well. And from there, Our break even was at the bottom of this candle wick right up here. Put this down here, and we watched price do a lot. Ended up hitting break even, and from there moved ourselves to break even. We were very, very close to hitting full TP. Just literally, oh no, it's gonna keep on going. Yeah, we were 7 points, I'll say, from hitting full TP, and then price just reversed out, and now we're just going the other direction. Now, this is the reason why you want to go break even, because more than likely, if we're so close to hitting TP and we reverse out and you don't have your stops at break even, I would have took a $500 loss today, like a $540 loss. I would much rather be break even on the day and not lose or gain anything than put myself in a position where I would lose $500 and put myself back. We're still 2 days away from this payout. I'm not stressing it one bit. I know we will get it. All we can do is just take good setups, and this was a great setup. This was a setup I would take 10 times out of 10 times. We saw everything that I wanted to see. Highs got taken out. We respected that 5-minute gap, started making our way towards lows. We had confirmations on the 1 minute, took our entry out the 5-minute retest, just a delivery. And, a lot of people was looking for London lows, and, we honestly should have took out London lows. I don't know why we didn't, but that's trading. Not everything's going to go your way. We still had a good time on stream. I think we peaked at about 52 viewers, which, it's amazing to see as I'm growing my YouTube. I have been wanting to be a YouTuber for a very long time, and, I always find myself not actually uploading videos because it takes a lot, but, the fact that there's, 50 to whatever, like the most I've ever had on YouTube today was 52. The fact that everybody still pulls up to the streams, has a good time, regardless of the outcome. I'm just trying to make trading more fun. As you guys know, trading is a lot lonely. There's nobody really around you. Nobody understands you when you're trading, because nobody really trades like that. So finding a community online is really, really beneficial for you, for your mental, for everything, because you can talk to them about trading. They will actually understand you. If you talk to anybody else, they have no idea, and you're just talking for no reason at that point. But yeah, I'm going to keep on streaming. Obviously, I love streaming in the morning. And yeah, we will get to this payout eventually. Right now, let me see if I could pull up my trade of 8 so I can show you guys the executions. As you guys know, I am fully transparent with everything. I don't hide anything because I don't need to hide anything. Everything I do is legit. So this right here is the damage we did. We're up $5 per account. Look at this straight line that we created. These accounts, it says we're down $4 because of fees and stuff. If you go to today, only took one trade. We were in this trade for 53 minutes. And yeah, that's that for the week. Still, we're up. That's all that matters. I'm taking it week by week. We're eventually going to get to this payout, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, I locked myself out so I don't do anything stupid and not taking any more trades. We're at 11:20 right now, so my trading session window is already done. So now I'm just gonna go and enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully tomorrow we can come back and catch a dub. Tomorrow we do have CPI at 8:30 in the morning, so you want to be really, really careful trading tomorrow. But if you see a setup I like, I will take the trade. We'll hit full TP, and we'll soon request that payout. So until next time, I'll see you guys.